Hello, from the survey boat. I am now going to show you how to check if the sounding give us a correct data. As you might already aware, our echo sounder is not measuring the depth. It measures the vertical range. And even this vertical range is being calculated by multiplying the sound speed and the time elapsed of the acoustic pulse. In order to ensure that the reading is correct, we are going to check that manually by using a bar check. It is a metal plate lowered directly below the transducer with known depth. With that, we have to look into the echo sounder if the echo sounder is giving exactly the same number as the depth we have purposely made.
The bar check is lowered down carefully and aligned just below the transducer head. Its first meter depth is controlled by the marker tied at the rolling chain. Once the first meter is read by the echo sounder, the bar check is lowered further meter by meter, while the echo sounder reading is being observed.
Ya. Sampaikan bautnya ya, rantainya. Ya. Oke. Ya, 4 meter. Ya, 5 meter.
All readings are recorded and extra notes are made by writing them in the field logbook. Once the bar check reaches the lowest depth, it is pulled back up carefully meter by meter.
Angkat 4 meter. Angkat 4. Angkat 1. Dah, angkat semua.
Again here, the echo sounder reading is observed carefully along with the reducing bar check depth meter by meter.
5 meter, 4 meter. Ini bar checknya nih apa aslinya segini.